thirsty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing the Weekend Festival palette by BH Cosmetics. Gonna just show you guys swatches and a review on the palette. I did create this look with the palette. I really love how it came out. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on this eyeshadow look, let me know in the comments section. If you guys missed in my previous video, I did mention that I'm going to be posting more makeup tutorials on IGTV because I mostly do reviews here on my channel. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys want a tutorial on this look on IGTV. And if you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I upload every Monday and Thursday. You guys can also find me on social media. Everything is at SilviaMBeauty. So this is the packaging of the palette. It's super cute. I love the palm trees. It really goes with the theme of the palette, Weekend Festival. Summer is here, so I feel like the colors in this palette are really pretty for the summer. I like that it comes with a mirror. So the palette is currently sold out, but it's $18. Sometimes they have like 25% off sale on BH Cosmetics. So if you catch it during a sale, it is only $13.50. Still, $18 is really good. You get 20 eyeshadows. The palette is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. It's allergy tested and dermatologist tested. So the main reason I got the palette is because I really love the colors that are in this palette. It just inspires me to use more color. It's not super overwhelming. You know how there's some palettes where there's like super bright colors and all it has is just bright colors? This one also has some neutral colors like this dark brown, these like rose gold and gold shade, this peachy one right here, this one is like a bronzy, this one is like a really pale gold, this one right here, it's called Ultimate. It's like a really pretty aqua shade, and that's the one that I'm wearing on my lid. I'm also wearing this shade right here. It's called Candy on my crease. I used it as a transition shade. I also have this shade Escape, like a burnt orange shade. And I'm also wearing this dark brown shade down here on the lower lash line. And then I'm also wearing these two bright shades on the inner corner and brow bone. I've been having this palette for several weeks and I've done different looks with this palette. And each time it hasn't given me any issues. So I am wearing some of the Island Bling Eye Shimmer by Fenty Beauty just right on the top, just to give it like a little pop of like glitter. Really pretty when I did that. The shades are pretty pigmented as well. So I'm gonna go into swatches of the palette. Didn't even know I had a scratch right here on my arm. That's gonna throw me off. I'm going to start from the top row and then go down. So the first shade here is called Trixie. This one is like a really pale gold shade. Then the next one is called Candy. That's the one that I used in my crease as a transition shade. It's not a completely matte shade, but it has like a little bit of shimmer in there, which makes it easier to work with. The next shade is one of my favorites. It's called Ultimate. Wow. Do you guys see that shade? The next one is called Carnival. This one's like a silver gray eyeshadow. Sometimes I wake up with scratches or bruises and I have no idea where they came from. By the way, this eyeshadow look that I'm wearing, I've been wearing it since about 3 p.m. today and it's already almost 9 p.m. So I've been wearing this eyeshadow for almost 5 hours and I was outdoors. I went to a birthday party and it was so hot outside. I was sweating. I feel like the eyeshadow looks pretty decent still. I'm not getting any creasing. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good still. Okay, the next shade is called Escape. This one is like the burnt orange brick shade. Some of the shadows do feel a little dry. That's the only thing that I am noticing. I'm going to swatch the next row now. Okay, so the next shade here is called Hippie. The next one is called Dippy. This one is like a hot pink. It's a matte. So these two are mattes. The next one is called Did. This is a really pretty purple. It has like a little bit of a duochrome like blue shift. Next one is called Magical. So this one's more of a gold shade that kind of blends into my skin, so that's why you guys can't really see it. And then the last shade on the second row is called Boho. This one's like a rose gold. So that is the top 2 rows. Okay, so the third row, the first shade is called Swag. And then we have Flash. So pretty. Then Spirit. And then Soul Size. So pretty. Oh my god, this shade right here is so beautiful. And then we have this pink shade, it's called Electric. Very pretty. 2 mattes and 3 shimmers right here. Swatch the last row now. The next shade is called Trance. It's like this really bright blue shade. I really wanted to use this shade today. Ended up using the aqua one. The next one is called Palooza. Like a pretty... This is a matte shade. This is a pretty aqua. Okay, so the next one is Neon. It's like a lime green shimmer shade. Really pretty. The next one is called Euphoria. This one's more of a yellow gold. The last shade is called Hipster. This is a matte brown. So that is the shades close up. So I feel like the palette does have a good mix of matte and shimmer shades. I definitely recommend this palette if you love color and want to create fun, colorful looks. Pretty good quality. The shadows, some of them do feel a little dry and chalky, but overall for the price, I feel like it's a really good palette. So I do recommend it, and if you do go out and buy it, I don't think you'll be disappointed. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys my review on the Weekend Festival palette by BH Cosmetics. Let me know in the comment section if you got this palette already. Do you like it? If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I will be responding to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitter and Instagram. Everything is at SilviaMBeauty. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!